Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa 1 in English. I'm Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to test this capacitor. This is very easy. In this case, we have here a professional digital multimeter. The first step is take the digital multimeter and power on moving this selector. Now here, choose this mode. Inside this mode, we have 4 modes more. For choose one, only use this key. Select. Press this key. Now it's ready. Microfarad. This is the unit for know if this capacitor is working correctly or not. Now the next step is read the information on the capacitor. Here on the capacitor, let me see. Now we are reading 10 microfarads, more or less 5%. This is the mistake percent. This number is very important because the number on the digital multimeter screen must be the same number. If we watch that this happen, this means this capacitor is good. Now, let's connect the digital multimeter to the capacitor. Touch in this way and watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we are watching 9.96 microfarads, almost 10 microfarads. This means this capacitor is good because the number on the digital multimeter screen is the same, almost the same that we are reading on the capacitor, like we are watching now. If this happens, this means this capacitor is good. Now disconnect, and in this way you can know if a capacitor like this is working correctly or not using a professional digital multimeter like this. This is your channel Sosanasa 1. Subscribe in our channel and share this video. Give me a like, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.